Today we're doing section 4.2, day 4, and we're going to be discussing how to use the periodic properties to find the value of any given trig function. So for our periodic functions, sine, cosine, cosecant, and secant all have a period of 2 pi. So what this means is the answers repeat themselves every 2 pi, whereas tangent and cotangent are going to repeat themselves more frequently. They have a period of pi. So just to kind of show you how this works, and again, you can use whatever method you want when you're doing problems like this. I ultimately just want to know what the answer is. So I want to know what the exact value of sine of 9 pi over 4 is. So because sine is a period of 2 pi, I'm going to take 9 pi over 4, and I'm going to subtract 2 pi. Need to get common denominator, so I'll multiply by 4. So I have 9 pi over 4 minus 8 pi over 4. So that's going to equal pi over 4. So we're evaluating sine of pi over 4, and we know the coordinate for pi over 4 is root 2 over 2, root 2 over 2. Sine is the y value, so the answer is root 2 over 2. So for number 2, we can use our even odd identities, which says the negatives goes out front. And now we're dealing with a positive 5 pi over 4. And the period for tangent is pi, so I'll do 5 pi over 4 minus pi. So this will become 4 pi over 4. So now I'm at negative tangent pi over 4. And again, we know the coordinates root 2 over 2, root 2 over 2. And I know tangent is y over x. So when I do root 2 divided by root over 2, everything's going to cancel out. And we're just going to be left with an answer of negative 1. So again, there's whatever method you want. I just want to know the final answer. So I'm just kind of presenting to you all different possibilities of things you can use to find the exact value. So that's all for today.